everyone, Jillian from Jillian Vance Design here, and today I'm going to be showing you what you need to cut and prepare for our one-of-a-kind virtual event Craft Along on April 17th. So this month is graduation shaker cards. Super duper fun, and just a few housekeeping things before. If you did order this kit, you will need your own preferred color of twine as well as your own shaker filling, whether that's sequins or beads, whatever you want to use to match your school colors that you're using. And then you're also going to need some adhesive tape, foam tape I should say. So, and here I just used some examples with orange and black, red and gray, and then green and white, but again, it's up to you what colors you want to do. So this kit included the Congrats Grad stamp set, which has some awesome sentiments for your graduate. There's also the Stitch Plaid cover plate, and then the Grad cap and tassel die, as well as a Just Glue It glue, as always. And then if you added this on, there's the mini headline type and numbers. So this kit is still available if you're interested in it. It's on the website and you can go ahead and order that. These are at a discounted price, so these are not ever included in our show specials or anything like that because they're already discounted. But they're a great value, and if you are looking for cool things for graduation cards, then here you go. So let's talk about what you need to cut. So first you're going to need grad caps, of course. So you can do white, black, any color. Like if you wanted to do a gray, or if your school has like different color grad caps, because I know that's a thing some places, then you can go ahead and do that. Just whatever your preference is, does not matter. And then you're also going to want to cut the little button here to go on there and work with your tassel, which we'll explain how the tassel and everything works when we get there. And then you're going to want to cut a tassel if you want the 3D one. That's available, and that's what we're going to be using and showing. Or if you don't feel like doing that, you can also pick from one of these little basic tassels. So then you're also going to want to need to cut a background, so this can be whatever color once again, and it's just your background for your card, and it is 1/8 of an inch on all sides, larger than your cover plate. So if you have the basic backdrop, you can go ahead and cut that out, make it easy on yourself. And then you're going to cut 2 stitch plaids. So what we're going to do is layer, and it's going to give a really cool effect. But you want to decide whether or not you want what color to go in front. So if I wanted the black in front, or if I wanted the orange in front. So you can go ahead and decide that now if you want, and just go with your preference again. And then also your acetate sheet is going to be a little bit bigger than your cover plates, so you're going to want to trim that down. And then of course you're going to want to pick your sentiment and then cut whatever strip you need to fit that sentiment. So I think that's it, and it's going to be a really great time, and we can't wait to see you. So yeah, see you then on the 17th. I will link the one-of-a-kind group below if you're not a part of that, and if you are, great, we'll see you there, and if you're not, go ahead and join, because it's really fun and there's a lot of awesome projects. So we will see you then. Bye everyone.